Guys, and welcome to a brand new video of Spinal Plays This. In today's video, we'll master the Blizzard fruit in Blocks fruit. So we'll get all the masteries on it. We'll get all the moves, like I said. We'll get everything. So yeah, let's just go into the video and see at the end if I could have made a combo like I made for the sound video. Make sure to watch that video if you didn't saw it, because it's the first video of this whole series of videos that I'm gonna try to post with different blocks fruits and trying to mastering them. So comment down below which fruit should I do next out of these. Yeah, these. So yeah, or maybe I must spin a random wheel. I don't know. But yeah, so let's just get into the video and get some snacks, stay back and relax, because this will be a pretty longish video like always. But yeah, let's get into it. So yeah. So right now we are with my friend right here, my friend that's using right now sound, and we are up here in the second C. So we'll store the Blizzard fruit and yeah, eat it. We'll unstore it right now, and let's go. Let's eat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was disgusting. So we ate a Blizzard fruit. We will go to do something. We'll go to grind mastery, my guy. I don't think he'll be able to stay with me for the whole video, but I want to see if he can. And yeah, so let's go grind Dawn Swan and the Timekeeper, because the third team bosses are just insanely powerful. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now we are at Dawn Swan Castle. We've beat him sometimes before this, and we got the F move. That's the flying move. It's only 40 mastery, so it's not that much of a grind for it. We just had to beat him sometimes. It was pretty easy, and this flying move, it's not like any other flying move. Maybe it's like the smoke flying move, but like you might have known or seen, the flying move deals damage. Like, it's just crazy. That's so OP, like literally. You can just fly above the enemy. So we'll so yeah, right now we're testing it on the Dawn Swan, because he's pretty weak and we need mastery. But this move is just crazy. So yeah, let's go get some more mastery, and I'm gonna come back where we get the X move. I don't know what move that will be, but I guess it's still OP, because right now this fruit is just crazy, like literally. Okay, so we've grinded some time and we got both the X move and the C move on Blizzard. I'ma show you right now the C move, because I already showed you guys the X move. So look at this. This is just crazy. Like, it's a big tornado. It's just like literally crazy. So I'ma try to grind the next move. That's 250 mastery. That's a lot of mastery. So that will take a bit longer to take. So that's why my this video might take a long time to make. By the way, yeah, actually never mind. So yeah, let's go beat this guy. The next move, it's called Blizzard Domain. That'll be domain expansion. Just joking. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, by the way, guys, while I was trying to grind, I got the God Chalice in the chest. Yeah. Here's some images that I made, and I used it at Reap Indra, of course. Yeah. So guys, after a long time of grinding, I finally got the V move 250 mastery. It's domain expansion, but the Blizzard version. So it's this one. It's pretty cool. It's like all these stuff coming from it. It's just crazy. Like, look at it. It's all of these stuff are just like attacking me. So that's crazy.